We all start going to the gym for different reasons, but today I wanted to share with you 10 pieces of advice for beginners after 10 years of lifting. Number one, prioritize form over weight. Start light and know your form before adding any weight to the bar. Bad form leads to injuries, and you need to be consistent with your workouts to start building muscle. Number two, consistency beats intensity. Showing up regularly 3 to 4 times per week matters more than going every once in a while. In order for you to build a good, solid physique, you need to be going to the gym on a regular basis. Number three, don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has a different starting point. It's really easy when you first start going to the gym to start comparing yourself to others in the gym who have been training for many years. Stay in your lane and just keep focused on your own progress. Number four, make sure that you get around 8 hours of sleep every night. This is definitely something that I neglected when I first started training, but this is just as important as training with the right intensity and consistency and getting the right nutrition. If your body isn't recovering properly, then you are seriously limiting the potential of all of that hard work that you're putting into the gym. Number five, stop chasing shortcuts. There is no magic pill to get in shape. It's hard work, dedication, and consistency. Think about it. If it was so easy to get in shape, then everybody would be in shape. So reset your mindset, reset your expectations, and think about this as a lifestyle. Number six, take progress pictures. When you first start going to the gym, you probably aren't super confident in taking pictures of your body. But it's really important because on those days when you aren't feeling so motivated to go to the gym, you can start looking back at your progress and see how far you've come. Also, you're seeing your body every day, so you're not recognizing those small changes. So when you're looking back at those pictures, you can see how far you've come from the start of your journey. Number seven, progressive overload is key. As you get stronger, to continue to grow, you've got to gradually increase the weight, reps, and intensity over a consistent period of time. Number eight, start with a plan and stay consistent with it for at least a year. When you first start going to the gym, it's going to take time before you start seeing progress. So it's really important that you stick to the plan. You track things like your workouts, your rest periods, your weights, your sets. And if you're willing to be patient, then I promise you the results will follow. Number nine, focus on compound movements. Learn to do exercises like the squat, deadlift, and bench press. These will hit multiple muscle groups and build real strength. And lastly, number 10, learn to love the grind. The process is where the magic happens. Embrace the hard days, they build character. And I promise you, if you stick to the workouts and stick to the tips that I've shared in this video, I promise you, you'll build the physique of your dreams. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out some of my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.